Hello, this is Jamie Clubb from the Club Chimera Martial Arts Podcast. I'm on here to quickly talk about my upcoming Vagabond Warriors martial arts cross-training workshops this summer. These 3-hour intensive training sessions will cover Club Chimera's approach to cross-training. Each workshop will focus on a certain martial art discipline or concept, and then we will train different ways to use it to add to, replace, complement or enhance techniques from other martial arts as they best suit you. We will be working primarily towards the incorporation of martial arts into self-defense or mixed martial arts, which allows quite a broad area to work. I'll be limiting the number of students so that we have a more focused approach on training specific areas. These workshops were originally designed for my private clients as a means for meeting up, training with one another and setting personal goals. But I've opened it up to anyone who would like to attend, allowing other martial artists who are interested in my work or live too far afield to join us. We'd be delighted to have you all involved. The venue is suitably quiet and secluded in the Cotswold countryside in over Norton, Oxfordshire. The starting age for training is 15 years, but if we do have a strong interest for those under that age, I'll consider opening up a junior section. The first workshop will be on the 28th of July 2019 and the second one will be on the 25th of August 2019, so I'll need to hear from you soon to secure your place. Please contact me using the contact page on the website clubchimera.com. Thanks for listening. I hope to hear from you soon.
Very good, very insightful. Jamie's certainly knows his stuff, and yeah, it's a lot of food for thought, and it's good to go away from a session and think about things.
Great fun, great new way of thinking really.
Makes you think about things, about the way you train, about the way you train others, which is really important for me. I'm going to use today in the classes where I teach to make the training